Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. We recently went on a cruise and I picked up these magnetic hooks. These are from Neosmuk and they have worked out perfectly. They are 27 pounds of weight that they can hold per hook, and we use these in the cabin and also in the bathroom. As you know, cruise cabins are very small. You don't have a lot of hanging space. And so these allowed us to have a lot more space to put our bathing suits to dry. I was able to hang my purses, shirts, all sorts of stuff on these hooks, and they really came in handy. Now that I am back home, I am seeing a lot of spaces that I could use these for, like my fridge. I have a metal desk. I can use them outside. So these are great if you are going on a cruise or if you have a metal area in your house that you want to put some hooks for extra storage, extra hanging space. These have worked out wonderfully. They're very strong. They did not rust. They did not at all tarnish. This is the bronze option, and I would say 10 out of 10. You have to get these for your next cruise, but that's just my point of view.